Okay, so the question is, how many different dispute ways can I use, or how many different dispute strategies or different ways that I can dispute a inaccurate account on a credit report? So this was the question that came into me. All right. So let's talk about the three different ways you can actually dispute a inaccurate account on your credit report or on your customer's credit report if you are a credit repair company. All right, so the first way and the first thing you should always do if you find inaccurate information on your credit report or a customer's credit report is to dispute directly with the credit bureaus, right? So you want to send your dispute you always want to send your dispute directly to the credit bureaus. And I'm going to tell you why in a few minutes. A second way of disputing that same inaccurate account is that you can dispute directly with the creditors. The creditors are like the furnishers, Chase, Wells Fargo, Bank of America. They place this information on your credit report. So you can dispute directly with them also, right? The third way is by disputing directly with the collection agency. Collection agencies are furnishers also. So you can dispute directly with the collection agency also. All right. So that is the three ways, right? You can dispute an inaccurate account on your credit report or your customer's credit report. Now, the question is, well, where do I start? Like, do I dispute with the creditors first? Do I dispute with the collectors first? Or do I dispute with the credit bureaus first? Well, I'm not a lawyer, so don't take this as legal advice, okay? I'm just telling you what the Fair Credit Reporting Act states, that we have rights. We have rights as consumers, right? And if the creditor doesn't do their job, if they don't fix the inaccurate information on your credit report, then you may be able to hire a Fair Credit Reporting Act attorney to go after the creditor, right? But before you can do that, the Fair Credit Reporting Act states that you must first try to resolve your issues by disputing directly with the credit bureau first, and then the credit bureau will reach out to the creditor, right, or the collector. So if you think you have a case, or if you think the creditor has violated your rights in some way, then you definitely want to dispute directly with the credit bureau first. And then if that doesn't fix the inaccurate information, then you go to the creditor, right? And if the creditor still does not fix the inaccurate information, then you seek the help of a Fair Credit Reporting Act attorney, someone who specializes in suing credit bureaus for not fixing inaccurate information. Now, the same thing applies with the collection agency. I always recommend that you dispute directly with the credit bureau first, and then go to the collection agency and dispute the collection account or the medical collection account or whatever collection account that's on your credit report, and see what the collection agency has to say. Again, this video is all about the different ways you can dispute an inaccurate account on your credit report. My name is Mark Claiborne, and I'm the founder of StartupCreditRepairBusiness.com and the best-selling author of the #1 credit repair book, Hidden Credit Repair Secrets, okay? I have a lot of videos on credit repair, running a credit repair business, right? Now, if you're looking to repair your own credit, I have some goodies for you. If you're looking to start and run a credit repair business, I also have some free training for you. So I have free training for consumers who want to do it themselves. You want to fix your own credit, right? Just click one of the links below this video. And if you're a credit repair company, or if you're starting a credit repair company, or you're looking to start a credit repair company, I have some free training for you also. So just click the link below. I have a lot of goodies for you guys, a lot of free gifts, a lot of free training for consumers who want to fix their own credit, and for credit repair companies who are just starting a credit repair business. So let's recap. Again, like I said, you can dispute with the credit bureaus, creditors, and collectors. If you think that the creditor or the collector has violated your rights in any way, always dispute directly with the credit bureau first. And if you feel that your rights have been violated by not reporting 100% accurate, then you search for a Fair Credit Reporting Act attorney in your state and let them review your case to see if there's any violations there. All right. So share this video, comment on this video, like this video, and subscribe to my channel. All right. And like I said, click the link below, find the links to free training that's good for you. Find them right below this video and go ahead and get started with your free training.